Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the mod teleport any sims for Sims 4. Go to this URL sim4stereo.com /post/72734. Scroll down, it gives you instruction how to install the mod. Also there's a link say download. Click on that and you'll download the mod teleport any sim. Here's the downloaded file name. To extract it, you can use 7-zip or WinZip. Here's the extracted content, which you have two files. Copy the extracted mod folder into your document, and there'll be electronic arc, the sim4, and the mod folder. It should look like this. You should have the folder copy like this. Start your sim4 and you just get the message like this. That it shows you that the mod that you just put in, and then just click on OK. If you did not enable the script mod in your game, then here are the steps. To use the teleport, I click on the build mode, and in search I type teleport, and I'm going to select sim teleport destination. From there will be a start user, and I'm just going to drag into my lot and I just press escape. I'm gonna have to go back to the live mode, and I'm gonna click on the statue and you can have two choices. So I'm just going to select teleport sim here, which is that for your sim's friend. So I'm just going to pick the current sim I have, and there you go. The sim is relation to the statue. To use the summon your sim here, I'm going to do the same thing. Place the statue in a lot, and after that I'm going to go back to the live mode, and then I'm just going to dismiss the message here. Click on statue, say summon a sim here, which allow you to summon any sim into the statue, and there you go. Alright guys, so that's the video. Thanks for watching. I hope the tutorial is helpful for you. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next video. Bye.